So this video now for people wey be say their hair dey break. If you notice breakage on your hair and you dey look for product wey go help you stop your hair from breaking, this video now for you. And I'm gonna talk about this product I'm holding, and I'm going to explain different types because this product get different sets. So you see these two products are different products. So this product get different sets and they get different work that they do for your hair. So this video now for those people where they lose hair, or those people where they get strong hair, where you want something where go soften your hair so that your hair no go dey break, your hair go dey grow fine. Watch this video to the end and you thank me later. I'm going to talk about this very one. So this very color, I hope you guys can see very well. I dey use this one also. I'll still talk about this very one. So now two different things they here. So I know say a lot of people don't see this product for supermarket or even pharmacy, and you don't really know how this product they work. And the reason why I switched to this product, I will explain everything for this video so that you will go try them on your own. Okay, talk about this very one. So this one is to stop your hair from breakage. So if you didn't notice breakage from your hair, anytime you lose your hair, you see say your hair they fall down. Okay, your hair is falling off and you are not really happy because you are losing hair. So this product will help you to stop your hair from breakage. So this is the shampoo. This shampoo is like €9.90. Okay, I don't know where you are living, depending on the country where you are. You can also buy it directly from their website, and also you can also buy it in any pharmacy or supermarket closer to you. And also a condition, you go with a condition. So the condition is also like €6 something. I finished using this product, and also it has serum. So the serum is like €29 to €30. Yes. And there is also a pill, a supplement which you eat if you want to grow your hair faster. So this shampoo is to grow your hair. This shampoo is to make your hair stronger, to stop your hair from breakage. Like for instance, you lose your hair, you weave your hair, you braid your hair, and you notice your hair is falling down. So it's to use this shampoo and the condition to wash your hair. And after that, you apply the serum on your hair. It's going to help you to treat that very particular problem on your hair. Straighten your hair from breakage, and you will stop losing hair. And you will be happy. When you use this shampoo to wash your hair, after like 2 or 3 times use, you will notice change on your hair. You will see that your hair is no longer breaking. And also, I will advise you guys to get the serum. Serum is very, very expensive and it's very, very powerful. And if you have treated this particular issue from your hair is no longer breaking, you can also go to the next set. Okay, they also have another one. Like me, my hair is very, very strong. I was looking for a product which I will use to wash my hair, that will soften my hair, and also since I already have a product to stop my hair from breaking. So when I apply this shampoo, this one is from mango. Okay, this one is to soften your hair. They have the one from mango. They also have, I will put it in the screen somewhere here, they also have another set from another the same brand. They also have another set depending on your hair texture, depending on your hair type. Okay, if your hair is stronger, if you have a strong hair, like you want your hair to be soft, you will get the right one for you. And make sure you read the instruction before buying. Make sure it's what you are looking for. Don't go buy something you will not want to use. But anyway, this product is a very nice product and you will love it too. This one has the condition. So I use this one like every other day wash. I use it for my hair, I use it for my kids. You know, it's family, for family use. Yes. So this one is more powerful than this. The reason why is, if you are losing hair, you have to use this very one. This one is a treatment just for breakage if your hair is breaking. Why this one is a shampoo you use like every other day. Me, I've used another type. I don't really like it. It didn't soften my hair, so I go with this mango. So whenever I'm losing hair, like when I braid my hair, I see that my hair is falling off, then I go back to this. I finished using this and I had to get 2 bottles. So that's why I'm making video of this this very bottle right now. So as you can see, I'm still using this one, and this is what I'm using at the moment. So I was not using this product. I was using one product, click and 2 product before. But when I washed my hair, I still realized that my hair is still falling down. When I'm applying oil, I noticed that my hair is breaking, so I have to look for a product that will stop my hair from breaking, because when you are breaking hair, you start losing hair. Yeah, that means your hair is not strong. So this very brand will make your hair stronger. It will give your hair that stronger, healthy look, and you will love your hair, and it will not change the color of your hair. So as you can see, this is my natural hair, and this is the product I use to grow my hair. And also for pregnant women, if you know you are pregnant and after you've given birth to your baby, after delivering, and you notice that you lose hair, you can also get the supplement. This product, this very one, also has a supplement. If you notice that your hair is falling off, like a lot of hair, you have lost a lot of hair, for this one, get the serum, get the shampoo, and also get the condition, and get the supplement. The supplement is for 3 months. You have to take it only for 3 months in a year. Yeah, each year you take it 3 months. So that supplement will help your hair to grow. Because before, I don't have hair around this area. I will put the supplements around this video so you can see it. So the supplement is to be eaten every day. Yes, for 3 months treatment. And when you are taking that supplement, you will notice that your hair is growing. Your fingers also, they are also growing. So this brand is really, really nice. I bought that supplement for 25 euro. I bought it in the shop. Maybe if you buy it online or anywhere, it might be cheaper. Sometimes they have discounts. Okay, so I bought the supplement. I took the supplement each morning after my breakfast. I took the supplement, and I noticed great change in 1 month after 30 days of use. So if you have that supplement, be taking the supplement, use this shampoo to wash your hair, and also the serum and the condition. You will notice great change on your hair. After you have solved the problem of your hair breakage, you can go to the next set. The one, maybe depending on your hair, if your hair is strong or your hair is soft, or something that will make your hair to, you know, like look nice or shiny, or I don't know, depending on your hair type, choose this brand, because this one is also good for my hair and for my kids. It's really nice. All their products are all natural products. So why I stopped the Cantu product is when I washed my hair, I realized that my hair is still falling down, because I bought everything from the Cantu, even the gel. I was using everything, but my hair was growing at the same time I was losing hair. So I cannot be using a product whereby my hair is growing and at the same time I'm losing hair. So when I'm touching my hair like this, I see my hair falling off, and that's not what I want. But right now, I can lose my hair, wash my hair, you know, do it any style I want without nothing falling at all. So this product is a miracle product, and I would really want you guys to give it a try. For those of you in Europe, you can see it anywhere. You can buy directly from their website. If you are in France, you can see it in any pharmacy. Yes, because it's their brand. This brand is from France. Okay, you can buy it anywhere in France. And if you are in another part of Europe, maybe Spain, you can also find these very products in the pharmacy. So get this product and start using this product, and you will come and thank me later. You will thank me later for your natural hair journey. Yes, don't go buy something. Maybe you buy shampoo for 25 euro. At the end of the day, your hair is still falling off. So this one is not going to cost you much. These ones are 9 euro, 6 euro, 12 euro, like that. Whenever you notice you are losing hair, or your kids are losing hair, you can also use it for your kids and yourself, your husband. Everybody can use this. So guys, thank you for watching this video to the end. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. And if you have already used this product, and this very one is my favorite because it's really actually activating my hair. So if you have used this very product before and it works for you, just drop it. For people that are still like wondering, I don't know if it's gonna work, I don't know, drop it on the comment section, and I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also if you are a returning subscriber, I really love you and thank you for your opinion. You know, on this channel I talk about things that I've used. Nobody paid me to do this video. I'm doing this video on my own. I bought this product with my money and I tried them. They worked for me. That's why I came here to share the reviews with you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao. Bye.